Hi everyone, and welcome to another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the Sheraton Oklahoma City Downtown Hotel, and we are in room 1421. We were told we were upgraded to a club level room, which we always have club level access anyway because of our lifetime titanium membership with Marriott. But then they also told us that the club level access was closed. So you're just getting kind of a quick overview. Okay, so again, we are in room 1421 at the Marriott Downtown Oklahoma City, and it is actually a very nice room, but it's like one of the smallest, worst bathrooms ever. So anyway, we're in a basic king room. Well, like I said, they call it a club level room, but there's no access to the club level. So it's really a basic king room for the moment. And the room itself is pretty spacious. Here's the closet, pretty standard amenities. And then turning around, here's the bathroom. So out of every hotel I think I've ever stayed in, even though this bathroom is really nice and really clean, it is so tiny. Little sink, the toilet, like the door practically hits the toilet. And then you have to come in here and come around to squeeze behind the toilet, close the door, and then here's your very, standard bathtub. So anyway, definitely least favorite bathroom on this trip and one of my least favorite bathrooms in any hotel. So, because it is truly teeny tiny. So you get a full-length mirror here, and then the rest of the room is really spacious. So you've kind of seen it all already, so this won't take long. But you do have this huge area right here, and typical nightstands, lamps on each side, a little reading chair and end table, and then over here, there's also a little ottoman that you can pull over to the chair, flat screen TV, and then down here you have, with your typical workstation, you do have a little mini fridge, coffee bar, and then you do have extra outlets and charging ports. So anyway, that's it. I'll kind of back up over here. Well, give you a quick view of downtown Oklahoma City. I believe we are facing west or northwest. So we kind of have a cool city view. We're very near the area that they call the Brickyard and in walking distance of some interesting places. And then here's just another quick view of the room. So feel free to leave questions or comments. And thanks for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. Please like and subscribe.